Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the chart of gold USD, and as you can see, I'm in my favorite 4 hours time frame. As you can see, overall market is in uptrend, and we all know that there was a sharp fall on gold. Okay, and you can see that market was very much bullish. Market was a beautiful uptrend. Chart was very much beautiful, but there was a huge fall here. Okay, and we also have news regarding the fall in the gold price. You can see that gold price outlook. Okay, gold prices have pulled back sharply on the day ahead of what's expected to be a very strong US non-farm payroll reports on Friday. Gold prices have fallen below their daily 13 EMA for the first time since May 5th. According to the IG Client Sentiment Index, gold prices have a mixed bias in the near term. So these are the news. Okay, so these are the news about the fall in the gold price, and you can easily go to the uh, factors behind the fall of the gold price. What I would like to show you in this video is that just look at the USD currency pair. This is the currency strength meter, and you can see that almost all the currencies are very much strong. Okay, but USD and GBP, okay, these two currencies are extremely strong. Okay, GBP and USD. This is the US dollar and this is the GBP, British pound, and both the currencies are extremely strong. Okay, and this is one of the reason. Okay, this is one of the reason behind the fall of the gold price, because US dollar became extremely strong after the news. Therefore, what we should do, let's find out on the chart. So this is the chart of gold USD. Okay, and see, before this fall, I would like to mention one thing. Before this fall, we already got the indication that something is not with this uptrend. Because see, I would like to show you. On day before yesterday, I recommended buy when gold touched this price level. Okay. But on the other hand, okay, you can see here when market came down and reach this particular support level, this trend line and the 50 moving average, because market was getting dual support from the 50 moving average as well as the trend line. Okay, because market was very beautiful and sweet. Okay, so it was getting support from the trend line and 50 moving average. Whenever it was coming down, it was bouncing from the support, okay, it was beautiful. Okay, but here when market came down to the support and bounce, okay, it did not cross the previous high. This was the previous high. Okay, this was the previous high. And when market bounced yesterday, when market bounced from this particular price level, okay, it did not break the previous high, rather it made a higher low, and this was the indication for us that something is not right with the chart, something is not right with the bullishness of the market. Okay, and after that we can see that after a couple of hours market started falling. Okay, see, there are many instances when we are not aware of the news, we miss the news. Okay, but if you know how to read the chart, then you can get the indication that yes, there is something off about the chart, there is something not right about the chart. So in that case, if you miss the news also, then from the chart you can easily tell that whether you should buy or not. So when market formed this higher low, okay, so it was a clear indication that something is not right. After that, when market came down, okay, when market came down, let me zoom in. When market came down and came to the support level, look at this particular candle. Okay, when market came down to the support level, just look at the size of the red candle. So in this kind of scenario, okay, you should, instead of just acting like a robot, you should try to understand the emotion behind the chart, you should try to understand the market psychology. Okay, Previously we saw that whenever market was coming down to the support level, okay, it was forming hammer kind of a candlestick pattern and it was bouncing off like this, okay, or like this, okay. So it was a clear indication that yes, it was a valid support. But yesterday when market came down to the support level, it was a big fat red candle. So it market formed a higher low, okay, so lower, sorry, market formed a lower high. After that, market came down to the support level and broke the support level with a big fat red candle. So this was the confirmation that yes, the uptrend of the gold USD is almost over and something bad is going to happen. After that, we could see that there was a huge sell-off on the gold chart. Okay. After that, market came down and took support at this price level. Okay. 18 market took support at the 1855 support level. Okay. Right now we can see that after taking support here, market is trying to go up. Okay. So if you ask me, Avilash, what should I do? Then I'll tell that you should avoid gold USD for Friday session, because see, after this kind of a sell-off, okay, when right now market is going up, we are not sure whether this is a trend reversal or this is just a retracement. Okay, still I'm not sure. When I was going through the news, then experts, okay, these so-called experts are telling that this 1855 is a support, but still I'm not that convinced. Okay, I'll say that we should better avoid gold USD for Friday session, because see, we have got plenty of currency pairs to trade. Okay, then why should we risk our hard-earned money on a chart that we are not sure of? Why we should risk our money on a chart that we do not understand? Right now, gold USD is the chart that we do not understand. When it was in uptrend, it was taking support at a 50 moving average and a trend line. It was clear to us and it was good for us to make money. But right now there are some complications on the chart. That's why I'll tell you or recommend you to avoid gold USD for Friday. Maybe gold USD may reverse from here, but see, you do not understand the chart. We are not sure. So why we should risk our money on a chart we are not sure of? So if possible, avoid gold USD for Friday trading session. That's it. So hopefully you have understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you tomorrow with the analysis for the coming week. Bye bye.